Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. We've got some more car nonsense for you today. I've got really good install for you all. Morimoto bi-LED headlights for the Nissan 370Z. So I've got them, they're down here, they're opened. Here's the unboxing clip.
I'll have some weird car purrs coming up. Probably not, because no one watches these.
No one watches it, like all
no one watches them.
Sad violin.
I think people will probably watch this one, though.
So what's in the box?
What's in the box? It's a thing. It's a meme, isn't it?
You're way too down with the kids.
Well, clearly not. Because I don't think kids would know that movie reference anymore. Oh dear.
What's in the box?
You're still not going to say what's in the box, are you?
I'm still opening it, aren't I?
Yeah, this is going to be a long video. It's going to be like, what's this 22-minute video?
Oh, really? I'm going to advertise for you, am I talking? No thanks.
Why?
Why? No specific reason. They're fine.
That's cool, isn't it?
I tell you what, it's well packaged. I'm really impressed with the packaging.
You want it to be without fragile.
This is just number right, eh? This is just the right way.
Right one of what, though?
Headlights. Brand new headlights for this sexy mofo.
So they're not yellow anymore.
So they're a little bit more than just not yellow.
Oh, really? Is there... Almost.
Blacked out. Oh, it's even a different shape. So it's a different shape. So it's not so bulbous, look.
Put it side by side. Is that... Have you got the right side?
So this is that one. Yeah. So it's actually smooth, whereas this one's bulbous in the middle.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
kind of. No,
I can see a little bit of
it's
a...
different, yeah.
It's like
There's a little
just...
bit of a
Oh, God, my
bulb
fingers.
here.
Yeah, that bit, but it's not a... Because that's quite pronounced, like... Whoop.
So these are, in all of what, 13 years I think this car's been alive for now?
These
all
are
of 13 years, these are the only, they've only just come out, aftermarket headlights by Morimoto. They've never done anything before, no one has ever made anything. So these are LEDs, 3 projector LEDs, with a daytime running light and sequential turn signal.
in a sandwich bag.
And we'll install them today, that's what we're going to
Oh, yeah.
in today's video.
Which involves taking the...
You can finish it now.
What?
Just cancel it. Finish the video. No, just finish because they're out of it.
And that's what we're going to be installing today, guys. They are fully EU and UK legal, so they're 100% fine. They're really expensive. I hope they're worth it because, again, I'm not going to lie to you, they are expensive. They're about £1,400. They're a pretty luxury item, I think, for like, you know, like an aesthetic modification. Like some of my carbon stuff doesn't even cost that much. But I hope that they're good because if anyone knows, if anyone has a 370Z, the headlights are crap. They're very bad quality. They're not they're just not very good. Like it's old, it's old tech, right? The car hasn't had any upgrades on its lighting for its whole manufacturing run, which is like 13, 14 years now. So that as a result of mine fading, gross, because mine's an 09 370Z, I thought, right, well, what we'll do is buy them, install them, and then they're done. Like, there's nothing else that we really need to do there. Won't have to worry about replacing bulbs or anything like that for a really long time. They have sequential turn signals, which are really cool, and they have built-in DRLs, which again is really cool. So we're going to do an install of that today. So stay tuned, hit subscribe if you want to stay up to date on more car nonsense.
Right, so first things first we need to do is take off the front bumper. I believe there's some bolts underneath, and then detach obviously all of the pop clips, because you essentially of the housing of this, you can't pull it forward unless the front bumper's off, apparently. So it's just easier, we'll just take the front bumper off, and then also I think there's some wiring which we need to run along there for the DRL element. So basically we'll pop the bumper off and then start to show you kind of the dismantling process. Alright, so what we've done, taking 2 bolts out. One of them is just under there. We've taken obviously all of the kind of shroud off. So 1 bolt there. Got to pop this off here, which is just part of the weather stripping. And there's 1 more bolt there, and then I'm going to pop this clip off here. And then we think there's 1 more probably up underneath. That's weird and close, but alright. There's probably going to be 1 more. You smell like sunscreen now.
I'm covered in sunscreen.
Fantastic. There's probably going to be 1 more bolt up under there just to pop it out. So that's what we're doing. And these are super...
Flaps.
Fucking bitch.
Flaps.
Alright, well these are mine now.
Bird shit.
Anyways, that's what we're going to do. What? Nah, well... The bonnet was pretty good.
It might fit the bonnet nicer than the metal one does.
True. Anyway, we're just talking crap about carbon wings that I'm going to buy.
Oh, we were talking car nonsense.
We are. We've taken the headlight out, basically. It's there on the floor. I would highly recommend anyone actually to take the bumper off, because this is a ball ache without it.
Yeah.
But we managed to do it now, so we're kind of just pushing on. We need to take off these provisions which are on the bottom, all of these clips, and basically just put it on over to here. So we're going to do that now. They're going to install it. To get the sequential turn signal to work, you actually have to unplug this, the orange and the purple wire, and you just leave it unplugged, and that's it. So we're just going to get to work on this and then plug it all in. A quick update video.
Quick update.
Yeah, so quick update. We've actually not got very far. We've managed to put one in. We've popped the other one out. We're going to put all the provisions on. So all of this stuff needs to come off of it. This as well. And then put it on the new one. But what we're doing is actually hooking up the DRLs. Now, you guys stateside, you actually have completely different like setup to what we have. We in the UK, I presume for some legalities, it comes with a fuse part. So what? And it doesn't reach. Top marks. Proper plebs, right?
Yeah, it doesn't reach.
So what we're doing, we've cut it and we're just going to extend it, basically. Not ideal. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but it's just not ideal. So if you're in the UK and you're doing this, please bear that in mind. And it does work at the moment. We just need to make sure that the DRL is going to work when the ignition is on, and then we're going to plug the other one in, and then it's good to go, basically. So we'll kind of wrap it up at the end and kind of show you the finished product, and then also tell you exactly what we did to get there.
Go.
Recording?
Yep.
Is it?
Yep.
It says it recording. No, it's for whatever. Anyway, so actually, this is not plug and play. Like, it's really not, is it, Nick?
No, it's
So
an absolute nightmare.
If you look down here, we've had to extend all the wires. So the DRLs are supposed to come on with ignition on. That's obviously what a DRL is, isn't it? Yes.
Yep.
We all agree. So they don't. And in the UK, in here, we obviously have a fuse and relay in here. But there is no ignition on in here, is there? Like, from what we could find.
They're all permanent live, so no matter what you
Basically,
plug into.
The DRLs are like all the time. So what we had to do, and this is why it's definitely not plug and play, and is really naughty of talking for selling it as plug and play. We had to extend the wire all the way through, up through here, under here. I don't know if you can see that there. So we're trying to make it as neat as possible. And it comes all through the wing.
Ah, you said wing.
Yeah, whatever. And then we tried to tuck it down. We've still got to dress it up a bit more, tuck this in, and it'll all be in here, into an ignition on.
Yep.
And that's how now we've got DRLs. So overall, it's like, I would rate it, I don't know, what, like a 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10 on difficulty?
I'd say difficulty.
It's not easy, is it?
Nah,
It's
and you have to have a lot of
pain in
connectors, and you have to
Yeah, so
either have heat shrink or
Yeah.
electrical.
So, not cool for talking, for doing that. Like,
Quality though.
the quality's fantastic, and we'll show you that. So we're going to show. We've not taken this off yet. We've not actually seen what it looks like.
No, I think you just leave it like that, Blue Smurf.
Yeah. So we'll just close it now, and you'll see that from what we could see anyway, the fitment's good, the quality looks good, but we've not seen actually like the grand reveal. So
Oh,
it does look good. There's a little bit of plastic there.
yeah, peel it off.
Hopefully, yeah.
Hello, sorry, I'm just gonna interrupt this video. You can see I'm actually editing it literally right now as we speak. But I needed to interject. So you saw that I started to pick. I said, oh, there's a bit of plastic there. I actually have, I'm going to be doing like a big review of these Morimoto ones. I've had a huge issue with these actually. So just to say that little bit of plastic, there's a bigger story at hand. And it's all to do with the quality, so the quality assurance from Morimoto, and then also how Torken handled themselves with respect to their customer service and willingness to resolve the issue. When in the UK, when you purchase something, your issue isn't with the manufacturer, your issue is with who sold it to you. And I'm going to be doing a big long video to explain it, but basically it's been an absolute shit show. And they were incredibly unprofessional. So as much as I would recommend the headlights, I actually wouldn't recommend you purchase it through them. I'm very reluctant to say, hey, give them your money. But I just needed to interject there just to quickly say, hey, that's going to be coming up in a future video. But hey, stay tuned and enjoy the rest of this one.
Shape is definitely different, actually.
That's
Doesn't
so.
that look mean?
Let me just step back and.
Doesn't that look mean?
Wow.
Oh, that looks so much better.
Go on, go.
How's the fitment on that side now?
It looks alright. There's a tiny little gap. You can see a little gap, but
Yeah, so fitment's not 100% perfect, but some of that will be the bumper and how this actually comes up in here.
well, we had a problem with this light, where the one of the,
so we couldn't take that clip off.
yeah, one of the mounts, and that's on the left one that doesn't fit perfectly. So it's probably just that it's not. Yeah, do it. Just do it.
So it does a little dance, doesn't it?
Yeah, you really want to try and do this at night time, but yeah, it still looks cool.
Come on now or not? Or do I have to start it?
No, it's, well, they just did the little dance. Yep. They do another little dance. It's really cool. They are good. And you've got a little side light as well. Look at his smiley face. Ah, knocked over my coffee in a hot day.
So, I like
No.
it. I rate it. It's fine. I think that looks sick.
I'm more bothered by this.
It's definitely a different shape, isn't it? 100% different shape.
It's a little bit less bulbous.
Yeah, it's more angular, which I really like. So out of 10, probably 6 or 7 on difficulty. But I would like the main point, the main take home from this, guys, is the fact that it's really not plug and play, and they're advertising it as plug and play for £1,400.
That's a lot of money.
It's not plug and play, and it's really not cool. Also, actually, so you'll get it, and it'll have this instruction.
Oh yeah, that was quite funny.
So this is important, right? Because obviously, guys, it has these instructions, and you go, oh yeah, okay, Nissan Fair
Can't
Lady,
quite see it.
Nissan Fair Lady, sequential, plug it in, normal, unplug it, right?
So there's a little adapter.
And
plug
you go,
back in.
all right, but this is all Japanese. So you're like, oh, it must be for the Japanese ones. Okay. Oh, here's an English one. Oh, and it tells me the opposite. But that's wrong. That's wrong.
It is.
This is right.
Just
What are
shows-
they doing? Like, seriously, what are they doing? So I rate it. I think they're fantastic. Obviously, I'm gonna go out tonight and I'll show you. So that's what's going to be the closing of this video. I'll show you the startup and the little dance that it does, which is just badass. I really like it. I think it looks cool. Really, really bad show for marking it as plug and play, like it's not, because it doesn't reach. It doesn't reach, and you can't do it into the engine bay fuse bucket. Anyway, there's nothing there.
Yeah, we use 4 meters of wire to get it to.
Yeah, 4 meters.
Yeah,
4 meters. So let me know your thoughts on this down below, and obviously I'll show you we'll close with this little cinematic of the footage and stuff. But hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.
Love you, bye.